Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to move your Smartsheet to another workspace in 2025. If you're juggling multiple projects or teams, this process can save you tons of time and hassle. Smartsheet is an awesome tool for collaboration, but relocating your sheets might feel tricky at first. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Head over to the dashboard and locate the sheet you want to move. Once you've got it selected, click on the Share button in the top right corner. This is where the magic starts. In the sharing settings, you'll see options to manage access. Look for the Move to Workspace feature. It's a new addition in 2025 that makes this even easier. Next, select the destination workspace from the drop-down menu. Smartsheet now allows you to choose based on your organization's structure, so pick the one that fits your needs. Before you confirm, double-check that all collaborators have the right permissions in the new spot to avoid any disruptions. Now, hit Move and watch as Smartsheet handles the transfer seamlessly. It might take a moment if your sheet is large, but once it's done, open the sheet in the new workspace to verify everything's intact. Pro tip: if you have linked sheets or attachments, make sure to update any dependencies right away to keep things running smoothly. And that's it, you've successfully moved your Smartsheet. This update in 2025 really streamlines the process, making it more user-friendly than ever. If you run into any issues, check the Smartsheet Help Center or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.